Welcome to another episode of Steve's Corner Office, where we explore the secrets to guaranteed success in the world of sales. If you're looking to excel in sales, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we'll uncover the essential strategies for success. The first key to success in sales is cultivating the right mindset. It's not just about pushing products, it's about offering solutions. Confidence and positivity are vital. Building trust with your customers is paramount. Seasoned professionals in sales know that honesty and genuine concern for the customer's needs are the building blocks of long-term success. Product knowledge is the foundation of any successful sales career. Knowing your product inside and out is non-negotiable. You must be prepared to answer questions and demonstrate how your product benefits the customer. Don't just list features. Paint a picture of how your product can improve lives and solve problems. Having a structured sales process is crucial. It starts with understanding your target audience and their needs. Then, develop a tailored sales funnel that guides you from the initial contact to closing the deal. Remember, each no gets you closer to a yes. Persistence and sticking to your plan are key. Sales can be challenging. Rejection is part of the game, but it should never deter you. Successful salespeople are persistent and resilient. Learn from your failures, adapt, and keep moving forward. Take time to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Maintaining a positive attitude is essential for your success. That concludes this episode of Steve's Corner Office. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the world of sales and the keys to guaranteed success. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow sales enthusiasts. If you have questions or success stories of your own, please share them in the comments below. Until next time, keep selling and keep succeeding.